Top 5 Best Alarm System Kits in 2025. Hi guys! Are you looking for the best alarm system kits? If you received a new alarm system kits, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best alarm system kits on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Number 1. The Staniot 7-inch Home Alarm System Wireless Wi-Fi 4G Tuya Smart Security Protection Kit features a 7-inch HD display, smart home integration with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Tuya Smart Platform, comprehensive security with up to 150 zones, a loud built-in siren for instant threat deterrence, a built-in 5000 mAh lithium battery for power outages, a user-friendly interface with Staniot Home UI 2.1 and anti-fingerprint technology, flexible connectivity with wireless and 8 wired zones. Number 2. The GauTone PG103 Alarm System for Home Security is a smart home integration device that supports 99 zones with door/window sensors, sends multiple alarm types via sound, SMS, and app notifications, operates on 433 MHz frequency with EV1527 coding, has a built-in 500 mAh lithium battery, and has a compact design. It is energy efficient, user-friendly, and comes with a password keyboard, video interface, and app arming control. It also offers customizable alerts via the Tuya/Samrtlife app. Number 3. The PG107 Tuya Wireless Wi-Fi GSM Home Burglar Alarm System is a smart, user-friendly device that integrates with Alexa, Google Assistant, and the Tuya app for seamless control. It offers enhanced coverage with door/window sensors, supports up to 99 zones, and operates via GSM, Wi-Fi, GPRS, and PSTN for reliable communication. The system features a full-touch capacitive screen, password keyboard, and versatile alerts. It also has a 1000 mAh lithium battery for continuous operation during. Number 4. The Staniot 433 MHz Wireless Wi-Fi 4G Smart Home Security Alarm System is a smart home security system that integrates with various devices like Tuya, Samrtlife, Alexa, and Google Home. It offers extensive coverage, including 200 zones with compatible 433 MHz accessories, and includes door/window sensors, motion detectors, remote control, and a wired siren. The system features a user-friendly interface with a 4.3-inch full-color touchscreen, multi-network support, and compatibility with. Number 5. The Staniot Wi-Fi version Tuya Intelligent Wireless Wi-Fi House Security Alarm System is a smart home control system compatible with various devices like Tuya, Samrtlife, Alexa, and Google Home. It offers comprehensive coverage and a user-friendly interface with a 4.3-inch IPS touchscreen and the latest Sense UI. The system also features voice assistance, multi-language voice support, and compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. It includes door/window sensors and a video. Thanks for watching the video.